Live there. Opala. Hello, hello, hello. Who is jumping now? Who is the first to come on board? Good evening, everybody. Good evening, babes. Babes, can you live there?
No.
Please.
No.
No. Good evening, everybody. Good evening. Good evening. Please, as you are coming in, please help me to share this video. Help me to share. Hello. Good evening, everybody. Please just help me to share. Thank you for sharing. Sharing make us happy. Sharing is love. So if you love me and what I do for a living, please share. Thank you. No distraction, please. Good evening. I'm here to talk about my amazing products. So let me wait few more minutes. Good evening, everybody. Good evening. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching me from. And if you're rewatching the video, good morning, good afternoon. Thank you for watching. Will you live there? You will go to the dirty corner now.
Yes.
You want to go to the dirty corner? No? Okay. Yes, so today I have amazing products. If you are willing to live healthy, you want to live healthy and reduce some body weight and reduce your tummy fat and look good, this video is for you. It's all about living a healthy lifestyle. Our products are not for only weight loss. No, they are not for, in fact, you are living healthy, and when you are living healthy, you notice that you are reducing that body weight. Must speak pidgin English. If you they live healthy, you they eat the right thing what you supposed to eat, you go notice and say you they reduce your weight. Not be say our product now for weight loss, but when you they use our product as they do your healthy lifestyle, you go they reduce your tummy fat, you go they reduce your body weight. So if you get dey overweight, you get tummy fat, no look am as a problem. Now the problem wey no get solution na be problem. No look am as a problem. This will not be problem because solution dey. So now just it depend on you how whether you ready to live healthy. So we get amazing product. My product where they make me they glow like this. I get them. If I feel use them, it feel make me dey like this. If feel still reduce all those places where you no like for your body. That's mommy tummy fat. You know, say if person don dey born, it na natural. When person don dey born, when you born, you no take care of that tummy, you must get that mommy tummy fat. Not be say na too much eating or you just wan get am. But when e go come dey bad, be say when you no take care of that tummy, when you just born finish, e go come big, and you come dey eat many carbohydrate, dey eat unprocessed, all this processed food. You dey eat food wey no dey healthy. E go come dey accumulate the fat. E go come make you get the fat excess. E go come make all your body big, because when you get fat, come dey join all those food, junk food, all those carbohydrate, all those fat wey you dey eat, unhealthy fat, e go come make am be problem. Na make you go see many people dey get high blood pressure, dey get diabetes, dey get so many diseases, dey get bone, back pain, bones go dey pain them. Before they waka from year to year, they don tire because of all those things. our products, they very good for children, they good for adults. Now fruits and vegetable, now natural fruits and vegetable, no chemical, no colored, they no put color, they no. Come here, come here, put your potty there and make pee. I'm sorry guys, no. Be careful. Or you go and wash your cattle. So they no put colored, they no put chemical. You know they smell. If you the only aroma where you go hear from our products now all this flavor of fruits. Now you go here. And this product what we they talk about, they not just they go buy them for market. Go and close the door, please. Close the door. They not they go buy them for market. The company they plant them, now plant-based food. They plant them, they go harvest and come dry and come put them into capsules where we use so no fear say they get side effect, no fear say they don't put plenty chemical, no chemical. Now just natural. Small children fit take them. Pregnant women they take them. You get the ones where pregnant woman no fit take. You get the one where a person where they give pikin breast no fit take. So this product they very very good. If it help you glow your skin, if it help for your hair growth, if it help for your nails, if it help for your aging process, if it help if you they get too much of acne and pimples, if it help you all this anti-inflammation, if it help reduce all those wrinkles, if it help you reduce many things. So this product they very very good for everybody. If you be woman, you want to try to get belle, they difficult, this product also can help you. If you add and join waiting, whichever thing they take, if you had this product joiner, it go help you. If you be woman, you dey tired, any small thing what you do, you go tired, this product go help you. If you dey experience eye problem, our products go help you. If you get inch your body, if you get all this inching for body, our product go help you. If you get stretch mark, our product can also help you. Anything when you know say you get, when you know say you don't try so many things, but you never try fruits and vegetable, you never try all this plant-based food, I beg, try this my own product. You go see and say you go help reduce them. Now small now gradual process. You see say if person gets diabetes, when they give a medication for hospital, it go they take them. So these are our products, just they take them, not be medicine, no. Not be medicine, and natural fruits and vegetable, not be medicine. So make you listen to the product. We get different, we get this one at the Omega blend. This one at the Omega blend. I never even open, I just received her this morning. So this one at the Omega blend. This one's not the triplet. This one are the vegetable. This one are the berries. And this one are the fruits. So this omega, it gets 5-in-1 omega. This one are 5-in-1, not be only omega-3. You get omega-3, you get omega-5, you get omega-7, you get omega-9, you get omega-6. So now 5-in-1, now be this. So if you put these 4 together, this 3 give you 30 variety fruits and vegetable. This one gets 5-in-1 omega. You see, huh? Get 5-in-1 omega, now be this. This omega, I like and well. It gets if you go ask Google for omega, you go see omega. It gets ways where go fit help your skin take glow. It get ways where go fit help your eye, your vision. It get how it go take help your hair growth. It get how it go take help cleanse your inside. It get how it go take help you balance your. This omega they very good. Just check and go check them by yourself. If you be the person where you be say you date 30 years old, your period they come as if say no they come and they talk always because I get my customer, my very good customer, if they watch this video now, he go testify to them say yes, it they good. This fall don help her. When she wan order this product, she no tell me say she no dey see her period o. She just only tell me say she wan order. After 2 weeks, she send me message say her period for the past 2 months she never see am. She don go doctor say nothing dey happen, but after 2 weeks of taking this fall, the period e blast come out. E blast come out. So she dey happy. So if you be that kind person, you dey that position, this fall, no say e too dear. Go for this for the vegetable blend, the berry blend, the fruit and the omega. They very good for you because they get antioxidant wey dey help balance our inside. If that kind thing happen, you go know say sometimes for local this thing that time I get person for Nigeria where they give person all this native medicine. E go say belle dey hot. Now make the woman no fit get belle dey hot. E go dey give them small medicine. But if you use fruits and vegetable, my sister, you go see say that one are the thing of the past. You no go experience am again. Not be Nigeria with the way you go those native women wey go dey give you medicine. This one are natural fruits and vegetable wey go help you. This for what you dey see, so it don't help me regulate my menstrual flow from 7 days with heavy flow to 3 days. Not be joke. Not be joke. So these ones they very good. If you be that person, you don't dey try to wan get belle, you dey see say they difficult. You don't try 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. It's still dey difficult for you. First thing you need to do, check your weight. Check wetin you dey eat. If you know say okay, you dey balance, your weight dey okay, say you fit consume, not if you just add this 4 to anything where you dey take. You see the 4, the omega. This one are the omega. This one are the berry. This one are the fruits. Then this one are the vegetable. You go add them. But if you know say yes, oh my sister, they wait to I need to reduce my tummy fat first before you go talk or say okay, you want try to conceive. Then you go come get our booster. See this booster. It dey blast fat. Close the door. Excuse me, guys. You will go to the dirty corner. You know that. You will go to the dirty corner. It's like you want to go there. I'm sorry, guys. So you go add this one. This one, they blast fat. Anywhere the fat dey. This one, now what they call the booster. You see how it be. This one I just new one what I received yesterday. See, I never touch them. Yesterday I be this morning. So you see now so it be. So this one go help you control your appetite. If you that kind of person where they eat, you dey eat. This one will help you control am, and it will help you reduce your carbohydrate intake. All those things where you dey eat, all those carbohydrates where you dey eat, it will help you reduce them with 25%. All those calories where you dey take, it will help you reduce them with 25%. And this one will help you get one thing where they call glucomanine. That glucomanine, it dey help for your weight loss journey. If you want do this thing, it will help you well. This thing will help you. You go, if you take this thing, you go hungry. Oh, not be say you no go hungry, you go hungry. But when you hungry, if you want eat, now we dey get his sister dey here. This is sister now be the food replacement. When you take this one, when you hungry, you go take this one. Take blend any fruit of your choice. Any fruit of your choice. You fit use this one, take blender. If you no want use and blend fruit, say you too dey in a hurry in the morning to go out, just put them for some container where get cover, put water, add this shake, join am, shake am well, drink am. Now your breakfast be that. It go make you remain fuller for long. And this one, what they take do na 17 variety fruits and vegetable. This one I go serve as your food replacement. Instead of you to go eat rice, to go drink tea, to go eat amala, to eat anything where you no good for your body, you go use this one as food replacement. And not be say we say make you stop food wey you dey eat, or make you no eat rice, make you no eat everything again. Oh, there is a way you go eat rice, e go dey healthy. There is a way you go eat yam, e go dey healthy. There is a way you go eat all this carbohydrate, e go dey, you go eat am in a healthy way. That's na only wetin we dey say make you change be that, how you dey eat and wetin you dey eat, because this our inside wey we no dey see, so e good make we take care of am pass our outside wey we dey see. So this product dey very very good. We get many other products. We get the soup, we get for the children, we get for energy drink. If you be the person wey like Red Bull, we get natural energy drink wey you fit drink, wey go lift your energy. So this product dey very good. I don hear a lot of testimony. The time wey I dey see this product for Facebook, I go say na Photoshop dem go do. Na wetin I dey talk. But when I don use this product and I don sell for people wey use am, their testimony is amazing. So this product dey very good. No look and say e too dear. So many people go say e too dear. If you share the money of this product every month, maybe you go dey spend €1 or 150 or 180 cents. E no pass like that. How much they sell Burger King? How much they sell am for them? Maybe €4, 50 cents or something. And you dey go buy am almost every day they eat. So it's good for us to take care of our body, especially women. Don't enter inside, it's not good. Especially women. All women fine. You go see some people, you go just pass and you say, that woman ugly. Now before they think say woman ugly, woman no ugly. Woman no ugly. If you maintain yourself, you go fine. If you maintain yourself, you go fine. So just let's try, make we take care of ourselves, because nobody will take care of ourselves for us. If you want this product, you dey think how you go take get am, just inbox me, or I go just tell me, please send me the website. No even tell me see what you want use and do. Just say send me the website. I go send the website for you. Only you go there, go do shopping for yourself. As you dey buy for Amazon, like say you go buy for Amazon, you go buy for AliExpress, all those things. You dey buy for Zalando. Now so it just be. Just go there, pick the one where you know say you want. No problem. Take care of yourself. Eat healthy. It go help you. It go help you. Now small. Sometimes when we dey sick, na small thing na dey do us, small thing, but if we take proper care of our body with all these fruits and vegetables, you go see say you no go doctor. You no go doctor. This omega dey really dey help well. This omega na 5 in 1. Go check omega. You go see a lot of benefit from this omega. And all these things get vitamin, natural vitamin. They get a nutrient. They get the way they help our body system. And this omega na healthy fat. The healthy fat go help you burn those unhealthy fat wey dey inside your body. Just even you know what you just say, okay, let me try and live a healthy lifestyle. You go see say as you dey live healthy, you go see say all those fat wey dey your body they comot, and your skin go dey shine. You don't need too much cream for your skin to glow. You don't need too much chemical for your hair to dey okay. You don't need too much chemical on your skin, because when you dey take care of inside, it go dey reflect for outside. They say good soup na money kill am. So this product they very good for everybody. If you still get parents for Africa where they take them go hospital every month, because when person don't old, if you not take proper care of yourself for your youth age, when you don't old, now you go see say yes, say you born children, you don't suffer take care of those children. The time when the hotel enjoy you, now they carry you up and down, because you not take very good care of your body when you dey young. So if you get mother, you don't they take care, you don't they try, you don't spend a lot of money for hospital. Add this product to whatever you they do. This for add down to whatever they take for Africa. This one will really help them. It go help their bone. It go help their inside. It go help them they strong. It go help them. You go see say they do what they no fit do before. Just try this one. Try this for. These 4, I love them so much. I love them. So try it. They very, very good. They know this product, they are well researched. You see, they don't research these products. They don't say and say yes, na natural fruits and vegetables. No, say na maybe they don't put no, nothing like that. These products are well researched. Now the most research product be this. Both students say don't use and do practical. Everybody don't research. Doctors don't research. Professors, everybody they research these products. So just try it. Try will convince you. Try am. When you see say this product they very good. If you be that woman, you don't tire, you dey struggle for your weight. You dey struggle. You don't try go do gym. You don't try do everything. Just try this our product with 20% exercise. You go see say in less than 4 months your life will not remain the same. You see all those weights, all those excess fat, all those your hand way big, your lap way big, where you dey shame to come out for house. You go see, you go look yourself, ask yourself, now me be this. Now so I dey ask myself sometimes. I will stand for mirror and say, now me be this. Honestly, I ask myself, now me be this. I been a person be this. So just try, do something about that on. Babes, leave there. Do something about that weight. Do something. It's very good. If you know burn all those excess fat and all those weight, if you know do am when you dey young now, when you don old, it go hard. Because you go dey tired. You go come leave burden for these children wey dey raise up. So you go come leave burden for them. They go come dey carry you from one place to another. Now make you dey see some children when they don't carry their mama carry, they don't tire. They'll go put am for home. They'll go leave am for home. So me, I don't want to be like that. That's why you see this my body. I go take care of until I reach 100 years. So make everybody, make we try. Even they watch wetin you dey eat. Wetin you dey eat, they watch am. No be say before, if I want eat, I'll carry Fanta. I'll put food. Sometimes I'll use malt. I will drink am o. I say I go dey talk for my mind say na enjoyment I dey enjoy. No knowing say I dey actually dey cause more harm than good. Now when my BP come dey high, now I come know say yes, there's something say person dey overweight. When my BP come dey high, now I know say how the person take dey lose diet, how person take dey start diet, how person take dey lose weight. I don't know all those things. I don't even know say person dey fat pass him body. I don't know say person dey come one thing tummy fat. I don't know say they come one thing come lose weight. I just dey eat, dey live my life, dey go, dey oof, dey call am enjoyment, dey go McDonald's, buy, eat. Go eat carbohydrate, eat rice, eat this. Not na enjoyment me I dey call am that time. Now when hand come meet me, when my BP come dey high, when doctor say my body too much, I don't know as I will explain am. Now I can say they see something like that. He say yes, if care is not taken, they go place me on medication, and that time they breastfeed. They say I need to stop my pikin breast. They will place me on medication. Because if I walk out from our step go down, I go they turn me, I go they see small stars. It do me one day, I fall for Caritas. They call ambulance for me. Doctor come say no, I need to reduce my weight. I need to do it fast. Before I know say that they come wanting to reduce weight or to do, I don't know anything like that. I was totally ignorant of all those things. So many people they like me, we no know. Many they we no know say too much weight they cause sickness. They plenty. But now, thank God for this my product. See them. Thank God I get them. And me na person wey no dey fit go supermarket. Even though I buy fruit for house, I go watch am for there, e go spoil. I fit wake up in the morning before eat rice. I fit wake up in the morning eat yam. I no dey too like swallow, but I fit wake up sometime in the morning eat swallow. You can imagine. Na why I eat sotey I come know say e no good for me. So I reduce am. Now I'm okay. No be say to live this healthy lifestyle, no be say no be force, no be big thing. Na just for you to take care of yourself. All those times wey I dey eat, nobody come tell me say if you too eat, if you dey overweight, see wetin go happen, see wetin. Nobody tell me oh. Nobody tell me. Nobody tell me say you too eat all this carbohydrate. Nobody tell me say you need to eat healthy food. Nobody tell me say you need to cut down your weight. Nobody tell me until my BP come dey high. So you see, sir, I dey ignorant of all those eating healthy and eating fruits and vegetables. When I go doctor will tell me say eat fruit, eat more fruits and vegetables, eat more fruit. I say wetin this wetin be this? But when the thing come hook me, I choose. When I see this product, I no even look say e dear, I no look anything. But I just say okay, ma try am, because I don't go YouTube, I don't search how person go take reduce weight, I don't do everything. I don't do those say you watch for YouTube, they'll say mix lime and this baking soda, apple cider vinegar. No one I no do. Instead, if you see my eye can't go inside, if I go my brother place, he go ask me say, you dey eat outside dey eat oh. You go say you know dey eat. You so see as you be. I'll say as they say my BP dey high. They say my reduce weight. Now weight I dey reduce. You go tell me say you go come do more harm than good. You go come cause another thing for yourself because you dey reduce weight. But since when I dey use this product, nothing like say my eye dey go inside, because they feed my body with the right nutrients wey my body need. And you see all these fruits and vegetables, they have a way, they get way where they will take help you reduce all those weights gradually, not be rush. Gradually, you go see say you dey lose and they go, you dey lose and they go, you can't get your desired shape. I love my body like this. I love my body like this. I'm so happy. I happy say this product I get them for my house. I happy. I love the product. So if you did there, you don't try. And if you get man, you marry. You time when you marry your husband, get fine, sexy shape. You know, say some men get fine shape. That shape go make they one of the reason wey make you marry am. But now as e come they grow old, e come they add up. You no come like am. No say you no like am. Try make am live healthy. Try all these products. You go see say e go get that shape back, and this thing go expand your lifespan. Eating healthy go expand your lifespan. It go expand them. And it go reduce all this aging process. You go see person wey dey 35, it go be like saying na 40 years a day. I told you to go and sleep on the bed, now you are sleeping. You go see person wey dey 30, it go be like say don't reach 60. This thing go help reduce the aging process. All those inflammation, it go help reduce them. It go help you, your skin go dey glow. So you go tell your husband, abeg honey, I want add this product, make you start to dey use them. I just say I like that your body where I take know you. I want make you get them. Now just with sweet mouth, you go understand, you go use them, and you go see changes. And man, if you get wife for house, it don't, after person don dey born, you know say if you no take care of that tummy, you must get that tummy na natural. Even though you be lekpa when you born, before you born, you come start to dey born, you see that belle, it must come out small. It must come out like, yes, now that one I be the sign, I dey represent say yes, this woman, it don't born. So you go take, if you take care of am, you go see am say you no go see am, e go disappear. But if you just leave am, say I don marry finish, I don start to dey born o, ma just leave am, you go see am, you go come dey gather, you go come dey store, 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 you wey sleep before, you come see your belle. The people will come, they ask you, you get belle again, you get belle again, because you just leave yourself, you no take care of yourself as you born finish. So if you see say your wife dey like that, no shout, just come jump on this product, buy am for am, make she use am, you go see difference. Then if husband and wife dey house, woman get belle, man get belle, even to do the duty wey make two of una marry una sef, e go come dey hard. Abeg, this product, e dey here, e no dey finish, e dey here. Buy, order am for yourself, two of una, make you and your husband dey use am, make you and your husband dey use am together. You go see say the love go come back, the marriage go come dey sweet. So these products are very, very good. So me, I don use am, I don see say yes, e good for me o. Make you come try am, make you sef use am, make you see the difference. The difference is clear. The me before and the me now, big difference dey. The me before and the me now, big difference dey. Big difference dey. So make you try, just come by and not say e don over. It's not over. Na problem wey no get solution, na you dey say na problem. This one no be, you get big tummy, it's not a problem. My booster is here to blast it out. This booster, you go blast am, e go pieces am, e go demolish am for you. As you dey drink am, na so e dey demolish am, na so e dey bring am come out for you. With healthy lifestyle, with this my booster, e go work for you. E go work for you, because many people, they don't testify to this, they don't use and they don't testify to this product. So to get this product no dey hard. To get this product no dey hard. Now for just you to tell me, send me your website, let me go there. You don't finish. Or you inbox me, ask me more about this product, I go still tell you. Even if I dey sleep, with the things wey this product don do for me, I go fit explain am to you. Even with the things, my customers, everybody. So try, get this product. May e dey at your reach. If you just wake up, may you know say yes, your 30 fruits and vegetables dey there. Your omega blend dey there. Your booster to flush all the nyama wey you dey eat, all this junk food, all this processed food wey we dey eat, all this unhealthy fat wey we dey eat. Your booster dey there to flush all of them, to bombard am where e dey. And your shake dey here to replace your meal. Your shake will replace your meal. And this thing dey bridge gap between wetin we dey eat and wetin we suppose eat. You go see your body go dey okay. You go see you dey get extra energy. You go see say things so you know dey fit do before, you dey do am. Because you dey take the right nutrient. Your body dey get nutrients wey dey good, dey get vitamins, mineral, everything. So many people no dey eat one fruit a day. So many people no dey eat one fruit a day. How much more you get 30 fruits, 30 variety fruit, 30 different kinds of fruit, 30 different kinds of fruits. This one are 11 berries, 11 different berries where I never even hear their names before. And berries, they okay, they very good for man, they very good for woman. This product, they get folic acid, natural folic acid, where they help boost fertility. So if you fit take folic acid where doctor prescribe for you, you fit take all these ones. Because they are natural from fruits and vegetables. The only thing where pregnant woman no fit take this booster. Pregnant woman no fit take am. Nursing mother, woman where they give pikin breast, no fit take this one. If you stop to breastfeed, you fit take this one. But this one, whether you get belle o, whether you dey breastfeed o, whether you no get belle o, you fit take this one. As well with all these ones. This one sef, if you get belle, you dey take am, you go see your pikin when e go come out, e go dey very healthy and beautiful, more beautiful. Because e go dey, as you dey take am, e dey go your blood, your blood, e dey go work for inside there, e go dey go comot the yamayama for road, and your baby go dey tap from that correct nutrients wey you dey take in. So if the baby come out, e go dey very strong and healthy. Most people dey get complications when they wan born, but some people don dey give the testimony. Most women dey give the testimony say their first pikin dey difficult, but when they dey start take this our product, delivering na just go come out. You see your pikin healthy and well. Most people, their first experience without this product and their experience with this product, they dey different. They give the testimony. Most people, they don't get miscarriages for 3 times, 4 times, but in less than a year with our product, they go carry their pikin. Nothing like miscarriage. You know, they happen because the hand of God did this product. Hand of God in a natural fruits and vegetable. So if you want to know how to get this product, just no look the money. No look the money, because health na be wealth. Person wey dey sick no dey work. Person wey dey sick no dey go find where you wan go apply for work. Good evening, boss lady. Good evening, good evening. Person wey dey sick, you no dey go work. So, but if you dey okay, you dey healthy, you go work. Na make am dey say health na wealth. So make we try take care of our body, because this our body. If you buy the latest car, you know they take care of am, e go knock engine. Likewise our body. If you know they take care of your body, today you go go doctor, tomorrow you go go hospital, you go take leave for work, you go take sick leave. If you too take sick leave, they'll sack you, they'll say you are incompetent, you no fit do the work. They go take another person when you ready, when you strong to work. So that's why you need all these products. You need them. You need these products. So thank you people for coming. Oh, thank you. Say you come watch. Thank you. Say you listen to me. I beg, as you dey listen, help me share this video. Help me share am. Person dey there like me before, wey need little information. You just need little information, little encouragement. Make she sef come dey bold as I dey bold. So na just small. Na through Facebook I meet this product. Through Facebook now I meet am. When my BP dey high, they find everything possible to reduce am. I no buy this product to reduce my BP. I buy the product to reduce my weight. I start with not only the berries. I first start the berries, the booster, and this one. Now I first start. I no buy am say make e reduce my high blood. I buy am to reduce my weight. Come notice say the berries dey help me dey control my high blood pressure. So you see, if you say I look am throway face, maybe by now I for still dey on medication. Who knows? So this product don't really help me. It don't help me. And I see say it don't help many people. It don't help many people. So make we try, put hand together, help each other, support. So as you dey come, help me share this. Not just leave am for your wall. Just help me press the share button. Just press the share button so that make people for your own Facebook see am, because your friend not be my friends. Make they see am. If they see am now, they feel say, how will they get this lady? How will they get the product? I need the product. You don't help one person with that. So thank you for coming. I have to go now. Thank you so much. I appreciate you, or I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Thanks for being here. Thanks for sharing. If you share, God bless you. If you no still share, God will bless you. Remember, December they come. Oh, everybody they like to make Christmas day fun. And for where Christmas the day fun, and when you get pepper, now when you get money to spend, now when you get money to go or the go. Now Christmas dey sweet. Oh, if money no dey, Christmas the day boring. E go just be like say people dey do am, you know dey do am. So if you wan know how Christmas go taste sweet, wey you go take get some pepper wey you go use for that Christmas, just inbox me. I no wan talk the business aspect, just inbox me because we don do that one before. Just inbox me make you know as you go take make some money before December wey you go use flex Christmas, wey you go use take dey body. I know say we still dey collect alawi, but alawi money no dey reach. Alawi money no dey reach again because they don reduce am. Alawi money no dey reach again. So just inbox me, you know how you take get enough money to spend for Christmas. So thank you. I have to go now. Bye bye. See you. Bye bye.